So today got a little something different. My neighbor just letting me use his Kubota and stuff to haul out scrap. You'll be seeing that previous video, but he just bought this Load Warrior trailer and kind of needs something for a winch. There's nothing really great, so picked up this good old 2x6 and shit, that might be a 2x8. I'm not sure. He got it for me. We're gonna stick this flush with this bar, weld it to here, throw some stitch welds. So yeah, we'll get after it. Got to move this thing over next to the barn so we can get in there and see what we're dealing with. Alright, there we go. Forgot to kind of film it, but got the trailer somewhat in the shop. I'm going to try a little bit harder, push it back just a little bit more, but we got to stick that beam or tube up here flat with that, then we'll get at it. We got this thing in and flat with the bar how we want it. Had some troubles. It was a little oversized from my neighbor getting it cut from a guy, so had to mess around, as you can tell. But yeah, we're gonna get it all TIG welded in there real nice. So put you on time lapse and let her go. There we have it, guys. Turn this loud guy off. Okay. All right. TIG welded, top and bottom on both sides. That looks pretty sweet. We will get everything cleaned up and then pull this thing out in the sun and check it out. We're all done. Whew. Man, I love this thing. I need one. Got that bad girl all welded in. That'll be a beautiful winch mount there. Oh man, very pleased with that. Just got to paint her up, bolt down the winch. perfect. Let me know what you guys want to see in the next. Subscribe and like for more.